If you're looking for black finish wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 black finish wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Ashton. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by FirsTime. Number 3, by Arospa. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Dragonfly. Number 5, by TKF. Find these black finish wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Geneva. Number 7, by Arospa. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Betton. Number 9, by ACU Right. Discover more black finish wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by the Furniture Cove.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.